where I am.
Are you lost?
Let me do something here. Tune that thing. You can get recruitment stuff on here.
It's hard to see the screen with the sun.
Multiple
the bright
suns.
suns.
Yeah.
The 3 bright suns, so we found out. Anything else cool you can do over here?
I don't know, a lot of things happening at once.
Ah! Well, can
jobs?
we need to get out of the sun.
Yeah, let's go, let's find shade so we can actually look at this.
You want to go back that way or you want to go this way to the market area?
Yeah, let's go towards the market.
What?
Thermal detonators.
Actual thermal detonators.
Correct.
Not like those ones TSA banned for like a hot second.
X-Wing pilot helmets. Trooper. Thermal detonators.
Oh, those are more like the
More
Coke
like the Coke bottles, correct.
Okay.
Just various things. So cool. It's similar to like a Mandalorian jetpack. So kind of something like Boba Fett's jetpack a little bit. That's kind of what it looks like.
Nice.
Oh. I'm dead. Pick me up at somewhere. Yeah.
Where?
Just out.
Out? What's this? Sure, you can probably translate it.
There's so many things.
That's cool.
That's very cool. Here we are. Dok-Ondars. Meg's holding books upside down.
You know, it was
Look at her with the ancient Jedi texts.
Ah, you can learn Batuian.
Nope.
Achoo, bless you. This is interesting though. It says 1 per item per person.
Limit of 1 per item per person.
Maybe it's one of the fancy ones.
Yeah, maybe. But this is really cool. Jedi Temple, can you read this? Jedi Temple guard mask. Look at it, that's really cool.
It's fine. I'm trying to talk. Wait.
What is this?
Stop. This is like
Oh.
storage capsules and 4 different flavored candies. Interesting. Oh. Let's see if it tells you what they are. Orange, fruit punch, blue raspberry, and lemon. They're all sours.
Huh.
That's so cool.
In case you're interested about the nutritional facts,
Oh.
get a little
20 calories per serving. That's
28
nothing.
pieces is a serving. So there you go.
That's a good old snack.
That's a spicy meatball.
Not much nutritional value, but hey, whatever. That's so cool.
I like that.
This is.
So here are the lightsabers Meg allegedly had as a kid.
No, okay, mine changed colors. It was clear. You press buttons, but it says try me, so I'm gonna try it. It didn't make a noise though.
Nope. Oh no.
Ah, my hand.
Cut her hand off. That's it. We're going home. Injury.
Ah, my other hand.
I didn't press the button to shut it off, but that's what happened.
It just shut itself
Shut
off.
itself off.
It was like no more.
This is a one kill. This is
It's like a
one kill
bee.
saber, baby.
Stings you and then it's gone.
That's it. You get one kill. You better make it count.
To making
Luke
it
Skywalker
count.
bust.
What's that from? To make it count?
I don't know.
It's a movie. They toast it. I don't know. It's probably a chick flick.
Nope, way too tall to be Yoda.
Here.
There she is.
Weird idea.
Look at this thing.
Oh, it's a little thingy.
Oh, it's a Sarlacc. Well, that is fun.
You have to get the thingy on the inside. I just want the robe.
You want a Yoda robe?
I just want the outside.
But you can't get the outside.
Why?
Because that's not what Yoda wears.
It's like cute and
No.
fashionable for fall, but it's $125.
You heard it here, guys. Jedi fashion in this fall.
It is. It's the hottest trend in.
Well, yeah, they have 3 sons, so it's definitely hot. Alright, my friends. Look at all these lights.
Is that the thingy from episode 2?
Which
The
thingy?
bottom left? It looks kind of like it.
Yeah, it's the weird mouse cat. I don't know what it's called.
The old mouse cat.
It's a mouse cat.
The old.
It's fun in here. I know, we're going to look at kyber crystals. So, that, my friends, zooming in on it, you're looking at the Ark of the Covenant. That's pretty awesome. No, I'm not. Heightening. Ooh, holocron. Sorry.
Needs to be plugged in. Yeah.
So we have a habit of picking up broken things.
No, I think it just needs to be plugged in. It had like a little micro USB thing.
Maybe. Here we go. Meg's hooking up Kylo Ren's lightsaber now. What's the
Pretty close. Vibrates.
I know. One-time use. That's all you get.
It's got like a vein.
Yeah, it's the wire.
I don't think they all have that.
Yeah, they do. It's in episode whatever the hell. 8.
Oh, good old episode whatever.
Yeah, you gotta go episode whatever the hell. Look at these guys. We got Sith holocrons, Sith kyber crystals. One of these might be obsidian.
Picture of it.
Yeah. That's how we did. That's us. That's us, baby.
Maybe I should join my thingy.
Parties, yeah.
How does it know?
I don't know. Maybe because it knows I'm here. Very cool.
Is it linked to your account?
Yeah.
Oh, so it must
just
recognize
sign
you
in.
from your magic band. Dun, dun, dun. It won't focus on it. There we go.
That is very impressive.
What's he cooking? Yeah. Sorry, Aria, I think we have a new pet.